in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you outside zone run concept tutorial. In the beginning, let's go to run concept and outside zone.
Here we go.
Outside zone basics. Outside zone runs primarily attempt to get the running back to the outside edge of the defense. Bounce to the run to the outside and run to the hot spot.
Gun. Dad. Here we go.
If the defensive key goes to the other outside to defend the run, bank the run to the inside.
Dad. Here we go. Dad.
The shotgun formation gives you extra time to read the defense and decide where to aim the run.
On one, ready? Start!
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.